Okay, first we read the question and understand what the question wants. So 4 years ago, Azman deposit Rm 5,700 into an account that paid an interest rate of 6% compounded quarterly. Calculate the interest earned. So for this question, they wants the interest. So for this question, we use two formula which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I in the top end. And second formula is I equals to S minus P. So first we use the first formula which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I in the top end. So we put S equals to 5,700 in the bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 in the top 4 in bracket 3. So we get Rm 6,815 2 cent. After that, we're using the second formula which is I equals to S minus P to get the interest. So I equals to S which is 6,815 2 cent minus P which is 5,700. So the final answer for this question is Rm 1,115 2 cent. First of all, we read the question and justify what the question wants. So Ahmed took a loan of RMY from Bank Sejahtera at an interest rate of 7% compounded every 2 months. After 6 years, the amount to be paid is Rm 7,458.70 cent. Find Y. So first we write the formula. The formula is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I in the top end. After that, we put into the formula 7,458.70 cent equals to P in the bracket 1 plus 0.07 divided by 6 in the top, 6 in bracket 6. After that, we calculate in the bracket first. So we get 1.518265994, and then we write P equals to 7,458.70 cent divided by 1.518265994, and we get the final answer which is Rm 4,912.64 cents.
Monthly. Find the future value that Star will earn after 5 years. We will use the formula of S equals to P 1 plus I in bracket and close it with power of n. So the S is unknown, P is 50,000, I is 0.05 divided by 12, the power of n is 12 times 2. What we'll do first is we will calculate 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 in a bracket and close it, and it will become 1.0041, and 12 times 2 will be 24, which is the power of n. So it will become S equals 15,000 1.0041 in a bracket and close with the power of 24. After that, S equals to 15,000 times 1.1031. After we calculate that, the S will become Rm 60,546 and 15 cents. Question 2. Ben took loan of RMX from bank at an interest rate of 6% compounded quarterly. After 6 years, the amount to be paid is 8,000. So, what we will need is, we need to find the amount of loan that Ben took. So, we will use the formula of S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I bracket with the power of N. After that, we will need to identify S is equals to 8,000. P is unknown. I is 0.06 divided by 4. The power of N is 4 times 6. After that, it will become, we will calculate that, and it will become 8,000 equals to P 1.015 in bracket and close with the power of 24. After that, the in bracket with the power of 24, and it will become 1.4295, and we will need to transfer the P into the front, and it will become P equals to 8,000 divided by 1.4295, and we will calculate that. It will become P equals to Rm 5,316.60 and 30 cents.
Hi, my name is Haris, and I will help you about questions 2 and 3. So, for questions 2, the first thing is you must identify the formula and substitution. So, the formula here is S equals to P 1 plus K per M power of M times T. After substituting the given values, we must divide both sides of the equation by 40,000 to isolate the compound factor. Then check the 60 root of both sides to eliminate the exponent. After that, we can isolate K with subtract 1 from both sides. Multiply the result by 4 to solve K, then convert the K to percentage, and you will get 8.55% for K. For questions 3 part 1, we must calculate compound amount and interest for both package. For package A, first thing we must do is understand the formula, and the formula is S equals to P 1 plus I power of N. Then we must calculate the periodic interest rate, and the formula is K divided M. After that, we will get 0.01425. After that, determine the total number of compounding periods, substitute into the formula, then just calculate the interest earned, and you will get 5,801 ringgit and 22 cents for I. For package B, just use the same formula and define variables. After that, calculate the periodic interest rate and determine the total number of compounding periods. The last step is substitute into the formula and calculate the interest earned, and you will get 476 ringgit and 91 cents for package B. And for questions 3 parts 2, we must compare the interest earned by package A and package B, which is 508,001 ringgit 22 cents minus with 4,076 ringgit and 91 cents. After compare it, we will choose package A because it earns more interest and provides a higher final amount after 3 years. It is because package A will yield 1,724 ringgit and 31 cents more than package B.